Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the files and confirming the exact folder path. This avoids mistakes later. Once done, close every workbook so no file is locked by Excel. Decide whether you need folder-level protection, hides everything, or workbook-level passwords, protects individual files. If you choose folder protection on Windows, you'll use compression with a password or a third-party tool. If workbook protection, you'll set a password inside Excel. Make sure you have admin rights if you'll install software. Now apply the protection you chose. If encrypting the workbook, open a file, go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, then encrypt with password. Enter a strong password and save. If you need folder-level protection, compress the folder into a ZIP, then use a compression tool that supports password encryption and set AES 256 if available. Always test by opening the protected copy to confirm it prompts for a password. Make sure to record the password in a secure manager so you can recover access later. Complete the process by verifying every protected file or archive prompts for password. Try opening on another account if possible. Once confirmed, keep a secure backup and add the password to a reputable password manager so you won't lose access. If something goes wrong, files won't open or show corruption. Stop and restore from your backup copy, clear temporary files, or recreate the protected archive. And if encryption seems broken, avoid overwriting originals. Seek recovery tools or professional help instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.